How to edit bookmark on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit bookmark on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and now just click this star icon here in the bottom, and after you click on it, just hold on any bookmark you want here, like Twitter, and after you hold on it, just click this one, edit, and as you see here you can edit bookmark and you can change location and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.